About to do the Ice Bucket Challenge, but before I do, I nominate my friend Kit, Charlie XCX, and Rita Ora. You're next. Here we go. Here it goes. Also donating $1,000. It's your girl Erica Mama. I've accepted the Ice Bucket Challenge by my boss Lauren. I'm challenging Dick Rita, Mona Scott Young, and Peter Guns. Here it goes. Also donating $1,000.
I'm not one to ever turn down a challenge, especially when it's as important as raising awareness for ALS treatment.
Here we go. Might look like a small bucket, but it was filled to the top with ice and cold water. Oh my gosh. Look at the ice and cold water.
John, and I am coming to you from beautiful South Beach, Miami. Give them a pan of what we live like down here in glorious South Beach. So cold, oh my god. Dude, we're not used to this cold. Oh my god! Oh my god, I have like a glacier in there, dude. It's like Titanic. Check out the ice. Go to alsa.org and donate today. How long can I procrastinate putting this on? Are you guys ready? Did you get it?
24 hours to do the challenge or donate $100 to charity.
Yeah.
The nipples are hard. Okay, that's right. That's kind of what's up here. No, God.
Kristen in Australia, Dave Beresford, and Lisa Arnett.
Guys, I